beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this mouth-watering noodles recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So in my pot, I added in my water, brought it to a rolling boil. Next, I'll go in with my instant noodles, and I'm going to be using 3 packs of instant noodles. So I'll add this carefully into the boiling water. Next, I'll add in my seasoning, and I'm going to be using 2 for now. So I'll allow that to cook, and I'll set it aside. Next, in my pan, I'll add in my vegetable oil, and I'll go ahead to add in eggs. So all I'm doing here is to scramble the eggs. For instant noodles, you have different cooking times, so please check the pack for specific instruction, okay? So I'm gonna be scrambling these eggs, and after this I'll remove it and I'll set it aside. Moving on, I'll add in vegetable oil. I'll go ahead to add in my onion, and I'm gonna stir fry this for a bit. Next, I'll add in my bell pepper, and I had some leftover pumpkin, so I decided to use it. So I'll stir this a bit, and I'll go in with my cabbage and carrot. So stir everything properly, and I'll go in with my cooked noodles. I'll stir everything together, and the remaining pack of the seasoning I added it in. I'll go ahead to add in my fried eggs, and I had some chicken left over and I decided to add it also. So feel free to add any protein of choice, garnish it with any vegetable of choice, okay? So I'll go ahead to stir everything together to combine beautifully. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you love. Please subscribe and stay connected. This is my final look. So try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.